Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to this course on Excel for Business Analytics. And in this lecture, we will be talking about adding, deleting, hiding, and unhiding worksheets. And this is again necessary, and a primary reason to actually do this is to just manage the structure of whatever worksheet that you're working in, and just to actually stay organized. So there might be instances where you would want to add particular sheets, you would want to delete particular sheets, you would want to hide particular sheets, so they're not visible to everyone. So let's see how we can actually do that in Excel real quickly. So I have a blank sheet over here because again we are just actually interested in hiding in performing different tasks on the worksheet. So one quick way of adding a new worksheet, which might be required because your model might be, or your data might be multi-sheet, or might be so much that you might have to actually organize it on different sheets. That's why you might need extra sheets. And the first thing you can actually quickly do to add a sheet is just to go over here on the right hand side bottom and see this button with a plus sign on it which says new sheet. If you just if you actually click this plus sign, it's actually going to give you a new sheet instantly. And if you keep on pressing again and again, it's actually going to add sheets as per your requirement. So in addition to this, you might also want to delete some sheet, a sheet that has gone redundant. You don't want to necessarily actually have the sheet anymore in your data or inside your workbook. All you need to do is just to right click on the sheet that you want to delete, and then simply go to delete over here, and then you can actually get rid of that sheet. Let's do that again for these two extra sheets that we've created. All right. Additionally, let's assume that you want to add, you've actually added a sheet, but you have some sort of a data in it, but you want to hide that sheet. You don't want to make the sheet visible to everyone who's actually looking at the whole workbook. And the quick way to do that is to just simply right click again on the sheet that you want to hide. And once the pop-up bar opens up, you can then simply go to hide and then press hide. So the sheet is actually going to disappear. It won't be visible anywhere in your current sheets that are actually available to you. The reason you could do this, or the reason you might want to do this, is there might be data rough work, or calculations that are irrelevant for the audience that you're actually about to present to, and you might decide actually that you don't want them to see the sheets, so you can actually just simply hide them. What if I want to bring these sheets back, or whatever have I hidden, I want to bring it back? So all you need to do is you need to right click on the sheet once again, uh, and you would see that unhide, which was formerly grayed out, is now available. Once you click on this, it's actually going to open up a pop-up window, and it's going to show you a list of all the sheets. Right now we only have a single sheet that's hidden, but it's going to show you a list of all the sheets that you hid, and you can actually go ahead and select which sheet actually you want to actually bring back. So let's say I'm just going to double click over here, and you see over here I can actually see that the sheet has come back. Let's just try it on multiple sheets. Let's just hide this and this sheet and this sheet. Okay, and once we go and try to unhide, you would see that all these sheets that we hid are actually available for unhiding. So you can make your selection, you can make your choice, and you can actually go ahead and unhide the sheets one by one. Or you can actually make, you actually cannot make a multiple selection. You'll have to unhide these one by one. And here we go. All right, one quick way, I just want to add to this actually, one quick way of moving the sheets to uh, a region of your choice on the sheet bar. So let's say you have sheet number 5, but you don't want it to be right next to add, delete, hide, unhide sheets. You want it to be right next to quick analysis tools. So all you need to do is just come to sheet number 5 and press your left mouse button, and it's going to change as it's going to show, the cursor is actually going to show a document, right, showing over here, and there's going to be a small arrow that's going to appear on the left corner of this small window, and you can simply drag this over to the quick analysis tool before it or after it. That's up to you. If you just place it over here, this is how you actually move your sheet from one place to another. Again, these are just organizational tips. You can actually organize your sheets better by moving them around, by actually clustering them together, however you want to cluster them. So this is just to help you guys out in actually organizing the worksheet better. I hope you found this interesting and you found this useful. So see you in the next lecture.